Hi, I'm Aaron, owner and founder of Pocket Pro. This video is going to show you how to replace the straps on your Pocket Pro wallet. If you don't yet have a Pocket Pro wallet, visit us at pocketprogear.com to get one. The Pocket Pro wallet is very robust, and these straps should last you a lifetime. However, if someone takes a knife or a razor to your straps, they can cut. So today we're going to go over how to fix that problem. It's a very simple process and only takes a few minutes. Alright, now that you have a cut strap on your Pocket Pro wallet, remove your cards and set them aside. Our first step will be to turn the wallet inside out. So simply flip the wallet inside out as shown. You'll notice that there are some really small screws that hold the inner plate to the outside of the wallet. All of these screws on both sides will need to be removed, and then we'll deal with the strap. To do that, inside of your packaging there is a precision screwdriver that comes with the wallet and a couple of replacement straps that we can use. So now that we have those out, I will start. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that when you first start to unscrew, you may need to push down a little harder, and then you can lighten up. The goal is just to make sure that the screwdriver doesn't strip your screw head. Of course, remember to keep track of those little screws. Alright, so now we're ready to remove the rest of the defective strap and put the new strap into place. Now notice that the strap has the logo Pocket Pro on the strap, so you'll want to make sure you get the orientation of the wording right and put it face down into its place. Push the little holes in the strap over the little post. We're going to now replace our inner plate. To do this, you simply put all of the screws back into place. All right. The next step is to flip the plate over and put the other side's outer plate face down on top of the last plate. You'll need the inner plate for the other side now as a help for this next step. So this next step involves on the new strap, just as a note, it may be helpful to stretch it a little bit. But on the new strap, you'll place the strap over its posts, and now you'll take the inner plate and just put it over top to hold that last strap down. Now the next one, you strap it, stretch it, put it over its post, and you'll take that inner plate and just hold that one down. And finally, the last strap, stretch it over its post, make sure it's in place. May help to give a little overstretch and then have it fall into place. Now you can see that this inner plate is holding everything down. Just rotate the inner plate into place and it will fall into its pocket. Alright, so now you'll place all of the screws into their spots and tighten them down. Remember, you only need, you don't need to over tighten, just tighten them firmly. So, your wallet has been screwed together and is ready for the final step, which is to flip it right side out. So simply take it, flip it right side out, and you're now ready to use your wallet again. All right, thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoy your Pocket Pro wallet. If you have any additional questions, you can email us at support@pocketprogear.com or come to our website and contact us through our contact page.